Today, I want to show you a complete new strategy that you can use to start making money online right here using Google. You are going to earn $5 every minute with Google. When you watch this tutorial to the end, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to start cashing out right here from Google. You don't need any previous experience in order to do this. All you need is computer or mobile phone and an internet. So just stay tuned right here with me and let's quickly jump in it. So the first thing that we have to do is to go over to Google News. So once you're on Google News, you can see Google News is a news platform that is from Google, and you can use this particular platform to make a lot of money. I'm going to show you exactly how you're going to do that right now. Once you come over to Google News, just simply go to the search bar over here, and then simply you are going to write over here top 10. So as soon as you write top 10, make sure you put this into Google News. So as soon as you come, it's going to display this interface for you, and then you're going to see different articles over here talking about top 10 articles, and these articles over here we are going to start using them to make money right here. That is what exactly I'm about to show you in this video. So when you see these articles, this is what you need to do. Just simply go ahead and select any one of them and then open that article, and then we can start using it right here to make money. So for instance, let's say this is the one that I want to open, the top 10 busiest airports in the world. You can also go ahead and open any other article over here. Just click on it. One thing that I want you to notice is that each and every day the articles on this website keep changing. So whenever you come over here, you may not see the same thing. Okay, so let's go ahead and click on this one for instance, and then simply it's gonna open the website for you. You can see this is the website of that particular article, and it's talking about top 10 busiest airports in the world. So what you need to do over here is to simply go ahead and then you're gonna copy the article that is from the title right to the bottom of the article. So just go ahead and copy the title first. Once you copy the title, make sure you go to this website that is called Google Docs and open it right here. Once you open Google Docs, come and click over here blank document, and then it's gonna open this blank document for you. So once you see this document, simply go ahead and paste your title over here, and then go back and copy the entire article right from the top to the bottom, and make sure you paste it on the Google Docs over here. So I'm going to do that and get back to you right now for us to continue. But before we get back, make sure you hit the like button for me, and also if you don't subscribe to my channel yet, make sure you subscribe because I'm going to bring you more updates on this in the future. So let me go ahead and show you exactly once I've copied the article. So as soon as you copy the article, it's gonna look just like this. Make sure you edit it very nicely as you are seeing right here, as I've done on my Google Docs. So this is the title of the article, and then you can see right from here it's talking about the top 10 busiest airports in the world. So number 10 is over here, number 9 you can see it, number 8, number 5 down to number 1. Everything is very nice over here. So as soon as you have gotten this article, this is what you are going to do. We are going to spin this article in order to avoid plagiarism, so that when we send this article to the website that we are going to make money, they are not going to reject the article. So I'm going to show you exactly how you are going to spin this article right now in order to avoid plagiarism. So simply, once you have gotten your article, make sure you highlight the entire article right from top to the bottom, and then this is what you're going to do. Simply you're gonna copy the article and then come over to this website that is called Spinbots. So on Spinbots, we are going to paraphrase the article. You can see text spinner is over here, paraphrasing tool is over here, grammar checker is over here, as well as summarizer. But the tool that we are using over here is text spinner. So immediately you come over to the website, that is the first tool that you'll be seeing. So simply go ahead and paste the article over here. So I've pasted the entire article over here, and this is what you need to do. Simply click on basic spin, and then it's going to spin the entire article from you right from the top to the bottom. So once your article is being spinned very nicely like this is what you want to do. Simply come and click over here to copy the text. You can see it is over here. In case you cannot see, just close this ad over here. You can see copy text from here, and then go back to your Google Docs, and then now you can paste this new article on your Google Docs. Now go ahead and make sure that you customize it very well. That is, make sure you highlight this and make it to become a title. So these are the important things that you have to do so that your article will not get rejected. So this is the first title over here. So let me highlight it, and I'm gonna click apply heading 1, and then come down a little. You're gonna see the second heading over here. You make sure you highlight it and then apply heading 2. So any heading that follows that becomes H2. So let's say this heading also, let me highlight it and make it H2 heading. Make sure you do the same thing throughout the entire article. So let me do that and get back to you. So right here, once your article is ready, this is what you need to do. You can see this article is free from plagiarism as well as copyright. So what you need to do right now is to make money with this article. How do we do that? Let's go ahead and save the article first. So we're gonna go to the top over here and click on files, and then we're gonna click on download. We can download this article in Microsoft Word Docs format, or we can also download it in PDF format. So I'm going to download it in PDF format. So any format works very well over here. So click on PDF for instance, and then you're gonna see that the article will be downloaded right into your device. So our article is being downloaded over here. Now, once we have gotten our article, we are going to start making money with this particular article. How are we going to make money? I'm going to show you that website right now that you can fetch money. That is $5 every minute right here with your article from Google. Before I show you that, make sure you hit the like button for me. And also, if you don't subscribe to the channel, please make sure you subscribe to this channel. So let's quickly move to that website. And the first website I want to show you over here is what we call Wonderlist.com. Wonderlist is accepting articles from 1,500 words in length. So you can just submit your article over here. Remember, the article that we spin on Spinbolt is around 7,000 words. So that article perfectly fits for this particular website over here that we are going to submit it. Now, what article do they accept on this Wonderlist website? You can see they accept articles on travel, people, animals, as well as when I come over here, you're gonna see that they accept articles on technology. So when I go back to Google News and show you the article that we've copied, you can see we've copied this article from technology category. So that article is perfectly fit for this particular website in order to accept. So one thing that you also need to do is to go ahead and make sure you read the article submission rules over here and make sure that you go with all the rules. Your article must always talk about list of 10 things. That is why I asked you first to copy the article about the top 10 busiest place. Okay, so now that we have our article ready, we don't need to talk much. Let's simply go here and let me show you. When you go down, you're gonna see that this website is paying you $5 for each article submission, and you are going to be paid through your PayPal account. So anytime your article is being approved, they are going to send you $5 into your PayPal account. So if you don't have a PayPal account, simply go to paypal.com and create a PayPal account, or you can use a friend's PayPal account that you trust in order to do this. So once you get your article ready, simply come over here and copy this email address over here, and then this email address is what we are going to send our article. So simply once we copy the email address, we're gonna go to our email inbox over here, and I'm going to show you exactly how you're gonna submit the article over here. So simply at the recipient column, once you click on compose, come and paste the email address over there, and then right here at the subject column, make sure you write over here article submission. So once you write article submission, you simply need to come down over here to where you have been writing your text. Right over here, you are going to write your PayPal email address over here. So simply, I'm going to write PayPal over here, and then make sure that you put your PayPal email address right here. So once you paste your PayPal email address over there, make sure you click over here to attach file, and then you are going to make sure that you bring the file that you have downloaded, that is a Google Docs file that you have downloaded, right over here. So once you upload the Google Docs file that you have downloaded over here as attachment to the email, then you can simply click over here, send, and then the article will be submitted straightforward to this website, and then they are going to pay you $5 if your article is being approved. Now, it is not necessary for you to add images. It's one of the rules over here. So you can just copy and paste your article directly. That is why editors are on this website. They are going to add images themselves, okay? So that is a simple way for you to submit the article over here. Now don't go away, because I'm going to show you different way that you can submit your article and make money over here. Now this website is what we call LVerse. LVerse is also accepting articles talking about top 10 things. So right here you can see get paid up to $100. So you'll be receiving $100 whenever your article is being approved on LVerse. It's the same criteria or the same strategy that you are going to use in order to submit your article over here. So make sure you read very well and look at their rules very well, and then simply you're gonna come to this place that says submission form, and then make sure you open the submission form as I've done over here. You are going to put the utter details over here, which is your name, of course, and then your email address over here. Write your PayPal email address over here, and then simply you're gonna go ahead and list the top 10 article that you are writing about over here. That is, the title must be here, and also you must write a clear introduction. That is, copy the first paragraph of your article and paste over here, and then the full article, that is 1,000 to 2,000 words right here. That is for LVerse.com. This one, you are not going to send them email. You are going to submit it right on their website over here. Every link will be down in description of this video for you, so you don't need to worry. Now let me take you to the next website over here that you can still make money by submitting your article. Now this website over here is what we call Copy Hackers, and this website is going to pay you up to $300 whenever you submit article over here. You can see they are paying you right here $300 to $1,000 for you to submit your article. So what are you waiting for? Simply just come to Copy Hackers, and then make sure you read their rules over here very well and know how their submission terms work before you start submitting articles to them. Their own also deals with email, and they also pay you with PayPal. So you're gonna come over here, and then you're gonna click pitch a great post to Copy Hackers, and then it will simply link you directly to your email, or it will redirect you to your email, and then you are going to send them email just like the one I'm showing you right here. Is the same thing over here. So that is how you can make money right here on Google. So what are you waiting for? Just go ahead and hit the like button for me, as well as the subscribe button for me. If you have any question, go to the comment section over there and write it there for me. And then if you're on this channel for very long, I want to know you in the comment section, because I'll be doing giveaway very soon. So make sure you stay tuned over here and continue sharing our videos on any social media platform.